So these are the paints that I'm going to be using. DecoArt Pouring Medium, Spot on Treadmill, Snow Titanium White, Cobalt Teal Hue, Prussian Blue Hue, Cadmium Orange Hue, Ultramarine Blue, and Pyrrole Red. I forgot to put the oil, so I'm going to put it now. As you were able to see on the video, I forgot at the beginning to put the spot on, so I put it in the middle of the pour. But I'm gonna try to put this video anyway, even though it might not have good results, so that you can see the difference. So I brought the round canvas, and I'm gonna have extra white. I'm gonna add the white to have extra paint and make the paint flow. I'm gonna do a flick cup, what is called a flick cup. I'm gonna put the extra white paint around that flick cup. And I'm gonna do something that I like to do. Since I forgot to put the silicone, I'm gonna do this. Because I'm trying to make that paint go underneath this white so it creates cells. I think it is pretty because I have some areas with cells and some areas with no cells. And I think I'm just going to leave it like this, but I'm going to move it a tiny bit because moving it helps the cells to get bigger and helps the paint to flow prettier. You can also manipulate it and make these cells here bigger and come to this side if you want to. But I want to have that red area in there, so I don't want to lose that red area, so I'm not gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Please subscribe to my channel. This is the final result.